to put my people, our people, in a position to where we can get financial freedom. And I'm trying to prove to people that it don't take a lot of money. I always got a couple rules. One, do your research into the company. Two, buy low. Three, sell high. I got the kid in investing. I had my first kid at 18. Started a mutual fund from him. And then once I did that, I always had that in the back of my head of something I wanted to get into. Starbucks, Jumia, Tesla, Disney, Nike, fuel cell, plug power. I just got into it and just wanted to just share my experience with the people to let them know it can be done. Yo, what's going on, y'all? How y'all doing out there in YouTube land? It's your boy, brother DJ the Capo, Cartier Capo, whatever you want to call me. Just don't call me. Y'all already know what it is. I'm just messing around. Hey, first and foremost, I appreciate all 128 subscribers that we do got to the channel. We do this for y'all, and we'll keep pushing out this content. We got some real big news, big information coming up for you guys. A lot of new content, a lot of content coming you guys' way. So we appreciate everybody that's been sticking with us on this journey, and we appreciate all the new followers and subscribers that we get on our path of greatness. Secondly, like always, I pour out that good alkaline water over the desk for the brothers and sisters who ain't here, the Squadcast. Shout out brother BJ, Chefin, Powers, Godmama, brother Black Silent Assassin, Jesse, Charles, El Presidente, the whole Junkyard Gang. I see you. Junkyard Gang might be having a new member, but we'll keep that in the wraps. We'll see how that goes. But we here for what we always here for. We're here for the money. We're here for to see how we can get financial freedom, playing this in the here stock market game. You know what I'm saying? And it's been a rough one. I can tell you that one. It's definitely been a rough one. But like I said, you have to stay the course. You have to take the good with the bad, and you have to make tough decisions at times that you really wasn't expecting to, or you didn't really want to. With that being said, just to let you guys know, once again, I'm no financial advisor. I don't have a license or nothing like that. I just, went to college and got my degree in computer science and business administration, and took some finance class and some management class and business classes and whatnot. But that's not what my expertise is. I'm just sharing this information with you guys for all the beginners in the stock market and all those who have low budgets. I'm sharing this particular account with you guys to let you know and let you see that you can make money in the stock market, and it do not take a lot to do it. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and go through my portfolio right now. In the comments, let me know if you hear or see any differences than what I said in the previous shows. Plug Power, Organigram, Jumia, Neo, AT&T, Starbucks, Disney, Apple, Nike, Tesla. Matter of fact, you don't even have to comment on it. I'm gonna I've ran it down. I've talked about this stock so much that you guys should know what's missing from my portfolio. It is fuel cell. Fuel cell is not doing too well right now. There's a lot of reasons why. Also, Plug Power is another one that stock has dropped somewhat dramatically. But the focus is going to be on fuel cell, and we'll get into others. So fuel cell, ticker symbol FCEL, is currently sitting at 1728. It reached as low as 1389. I sold out way before then. Yes, you heard me correctly. I sold out. All the information I read about fuel cell and all the projections show that once fuel cell was to reach $25 or above, that it wouldn't necessarily go below that 25. I mean, the 52-week high on this was 29.44. So you see, the dramatic drop that it's been. I mean, it's currently down. It was down today over at about 4%. It's slowly climbed its way up a little bit. Like I said, it's 1728. But shout out to Brother Black, Silent Assassin. He called it. He sold out, and I'm glad he did because he was smart, and he deserved his credit, and I give credit where credit is due. When we talked about this, I said I was going to weather the storm, and like I said, I didn't panic sell, but I do read the news and I do keep up with what's going on. And what's going on in Texas has a portion of what's going on with that particular company and Plug Power and a few other companies and stocks that's not doing too well right now in the renewable energies and all in the water hydro energies and things of that nature. So yes, I sold my position in fuel cell. I rode that wave for a pretty long time. I was initially in it before it was like $8 a share. Rode it up and doubled my money and sold out at 16. Got back in at 16. Rode the wave up to almost $30, and then I rolled the wave all the way back down to not almost the low, but I definitely didn't make as much as I would have liked to. I'll say that much. Okay. So right now I got sold that position, and I'm looking to look for other possible positions and see where I can go with that. Plug Power, another one. Ticker symbol PULG. Plug. Their current stock price is 47.38. All right. They had a 52-week high of 75.49. Let me say that again. 75.49 to where you see it today at 47.38. That's a major drop. Okay. The actual the low today was 37.22. Okay. 37.22. And I got in and solidified my position at with the average cost of $15.41 per share. So currently, I'm still up over 207% in this particular play, but I did lose some profits with the dip that this current stock has had. This is the one that I almost debated selling today, but I chose to weather the storm with this one because how I got my high graded position I was in or am in, and I chose to just weather it out. I'm up over 200%. So, I would like to make as much money as possible and, take all the profits that I can. But as long as I'm still up in this position, and this is one of my possible long-term plays, I'm definitely going to stay in this position. To go further into the market, right? So, um, like I said, you guys been noticing there's been a lot of red, it's been a lot of down days, a lot of volatile days, hostile days, whatever you want to call it. It's definitely been going on. And know that you're gonna take a hit when you have the big boy companies, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Google, uh, Starbucks, like all these companies took pretty significant losses today. Like they're down. Like everything's down. Like Tesla, oh my God, Tesla. Whoo, shout out Elon Musk. Tesla ticker symbol TSLA. Current stock price is sitting at $716.99. Oh my gosh. Okay. It opened at 661.90. 661.90. The 52-week high was $900.40. It was averaging, teetering between 800 to 860 for the longest, and then it broke under 800, and then it broke the 600 barrier. I was so scared. I thought I was going to hit the 525 mark where I got my position in at, so where I was just going to end up breaking even. But luckily, it was able to climb up to where it is now. Like I said, the 716.99. But like I said, there was other SP 500, Fortune 500 companies that took a hit today. All right, you got Apple, Apple. All right, their ticker symbol AAPL, stock price $125.49. They opened at 123.76, but they just had a 52-week high not too long ago of 145.09. So they basically dropped about $20. So I mean that's not really a lot, but if you have a multitude of shares, yes, that is a lot. Okay, and you're down. Like they they're they're even down right now in after hour tradings. Okay, same thing that's going for Nike. Nike is down. Ticker symbol NKE, $136.38. They had a 52-week high of 147.95. Okay, they opened the market today at 136.01. Okay, so that's basically almost a $10 difference. I mean, you guys might not think that's not a lot, but when you have multiple shares of it, then it does equal out to be a lot. Um, there's been other like this other stock, this other EV company, NEO, ticker symbol NIO, currently sitting at 49.99. Uh, they opened at 45.59. They had a 52-week high at 66.99, and now they barely even cracked the $50 mark. They had a low. Oh my gosh, family! They had a low today. Where is it at? Don't play these games with me. A 41.67. Like if it hadn't have shot back up, I would have definitely took a loss today. I would have definitely took a loss today. But once again, I am comfortable with the other positions that I'm in, which is why I'm still within reason up. I'm not necessarily down overall. Let's go through it just to be clear. For the week, I'm down 17%. For the month, I'm down 18%. 3 months, I'm up. 3 months ago, I was up 20%. For the year, overall, I'm still up 46.48%. Okay, so even with all these this crazy like basically last month, the portfolio is still doing well. Okay, I'm definitely going to look in other positions to try to get into and see how that goes. Right now would be the perfect opportunity to buy the dips, which is something that I stressed last show. Is buy the dips if you can, because right now everything is getting low at all-time lows, and this is definitely time for you to average out your average cost per share in your positions that you have in said companies. So if you have, like I said, if you have any stock recommendations or anything that you were looking into, please put it in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. I do respond back. I definitely appreciate everybody who supports the Wolf on Wall Street, who actually gains information from me, sharing my experiences with you guys, not only with the stocks, but in cryptocurrency. Speaking of cryptocurrency, everybody knows right now that Bitcoin has been going down. Definitely nowhere near the 58,000 that it was not too long ago. It's currently sitting at 50,000 right now. Uh, but overall, for the day, I mean, it's down 2.5%. Well, I'm sorry, it's down 5% for the week. Is down not even a whole percentage. As far as the month overall, is up 54.53. So I mean, for overall, it's doing well, but for it to have had the amazing rising numbers of being worth 58,000, almost cracking 60,000, for it now to barely be even hitting 50,000. That's due to a lot of people selling their position. Now, honestly, when you have a lot of people who invest a lot of money in Bitcoin, Litecoin, and any other cryptocurrency, when it's reaching all-time highs like that, People are going to sell because they want to take profits, and then that's what it is. And then once the price goes back down, people are going to buy more, and it's going to shoot back up. It's the ever changing cycle. All right, I've watched it enough to realize that. So I personally have not sold any of my position in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, or anything like that. I stay with it. All I do is add more to it when I see that it goes down, so I can furthermore solidify my position. But next time, definitely gonna get more into the new positions that I'm gonna be in. Answer any questions or comments that I might see, and definitely keep bringing the content to you guys. So, like I said, I appreciate all 128 subscribers that we do have, and any other new subscribers that we do get in the near future. Always show love to my brothers and sisters who ain't here with me in the studio, that's not able to do their show. But they do have their own projects coming up on the Squadcast channel. Squadcast got some big news coming up here in the future, and stay tuned for that. Um, Brother Jesse, BJ Powers, Chefin, Brother Black, Godmom, Charles, El Presidente, the whole Squadcast, Junkyard Gang. I definitely see y'all and appreciate y'all. This has been another Wolf on Wall Street. Y'all take care, family. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.